Hey guys, it's your girl, Just Leave It To Me, on the channel where you can just leave it to me. And today's video is going to be all about installing your closure wig. So before we get started, I just want to tell you a little bit about the hair we will be using in today's video. So today's hair is sponsored by Gorjess Wigs. Now, if you've never heard of Gorjess Wigs before, you are missing out on the ultimate hair buying experience. Gorjess Wigs is a hair company that specializes in frontal and closure wigs, mink inversion hair bundles, and their #1 top selling ready to wear wigs. And on top of the exceptional quality of their products, they truly care about their customers and provide the best service. Just to be fair, I am the owner of this amazing company, so I may have just a little bias, which is why I always encourage others to just try us out for themselves. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get into the nitty-gritty. So the specific wig that I will be wearing in this video is a 12-inch straight 4x4 closure wig from the Frontal and Closure Wig Collection on the site. Now, the wigs in this collection do not come customized, and you will need to customize it by yourself. So as you can see, I have already went ahead and added some custom blonde highlights along with plucking and bleaching the knots. So the first thing we want to do is match the lace on the closure to our skin. So go ahead and grab a brush and your favorite foundation, or any foundation that matches your skin. Then you want to go ahead and just dab a bit of your foundation on the brush. I like to dab the brush onto the back of my hand just so that big globs of the foundation don't go straight onto the lace and everything can spread on evenly. You really want to make sure that you have a nice and even coat on the hairline of the lace. After you're done, you are now ready to cut the lace. When cutting the lace, you never want to cut in a straight line right across. Instead, wind your cut along the hairline so that there's some dips and outs. It doesn't have to be anything crazy, just make sure that there are some slight imperfections in your cut. Once I put the wig back on, you'll notice that at the corner there's just a little piece of lace left, and that's because that's where the cap and the closure meet, so I don't want to unwind the stitching by cutting it. Now, if you're looking to wear your closure wig the traditional way, you are all done. There's no more steps, there's nothing else to do. Just comb your hair into place and your unit is ready to wear. As you can see, I'm just gonna spray a little bit of freeze spray to keep the flyaways down, but other than that, I am done and I am on my way. Super cute, super simple, and the best part, it is completely glueless. Now, if you're not so traditional and want to spice up your look with some baby hairs, you can do that too. Just continue watching. For your baby hairs, you want to take out the first row of hair from your closure, and just like how we cut the lace, you don't want to take the hair out straight across. You kind of want to make some dips while you're taking the hair out. Next, cut down the hairs until they are at the desired length that you would like your baby hairs. I like to take a little mousse and put it on the longer hairs behind the baby hairs, just so they don't get caught up in the baby hairs when I begin to swoop them. Now take some mousse and put it onto the hairs that you've cut, and then just begin to lay your baby hairs in the style that you want them. With this, you can use a small brush, you can use a comb, or for me, I personally like to use a toothbrush. Once you're done, use a scarf or a dryer wrap to wrap it down, and then you just want to blow dry for about 6 minutes. After your time is up, take off your wrap, add any final styling touches, and you are done. The hair looks amazing. The wig took almost no time to install, and the best part about it all is that this install is completely glueless. Wigging truly made easy. Okay guys, well thanks for joining me in yet another tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next time, I'll see you then.
Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.